Hoy, diya makato sa kitchen. Sino na summon ang Girls Kitchen? Ha? Sino na summon video kimawaton sa Girls Kitchen? Alas 11 na? Yoki pa. Ha? Sino ato nag-summon video kimawaton sa Girls Kitchen? Sino? Diyak makiipit-ipit. Sino man? Ha? Diyak na-summon ha? Diyak nag-summon. Kitchen is already active. Let's go. Next song, please. JV the Singing Hunter. Oh, what is it this time? Trying to scare me or what? Did you just summon the Girls Kitchen while I'm going to ipit-ipit? One of those quiet ASMRs? Say something! Yes, I did summon Girls Kitchen. Lucky, kay alas 11 na. Tigil ka mag-stop some video, okay? Oo, sa Girls Kitchen? Yes. What? Going to end at 2 AM. Puta. Namo! About to enter the building na like the video came out on that is supposed to be Sunday. Oh, because of problem. Any day na maka-video came out on sa Girls Kitchen will be his. I said Sunday will be video came out on weekends na chaos because Saturday is already rest day. Sunday is a chaotic video came out on day. And why is Friday a video came out on up to class? Ha? JB, what's the problem? You know exactly why when you have to ipit-ipit at the Girls Kitchen tapos may the video come out on that is just summoned? Think again. Matugak yan na gabi. I will wake up at 6 AM. You hear me? We'll see about that because if you go to the kitchen 6 AM there's a video come out on. There will be immortal and you're not. Think again. Summon one more time sa Girls Kitchen, buwas. Tandaan mo, I'm a fear of girls singing. Fear of girls singing. What the really? They're going to fight? What fight? Go summon video came out on sa Sunday. What about Saturday? No Saturday I want Sunday full of girls video came out on. House also. Deal! Paya ha!